Messi. This happens to be the best combo that Barcelona ever had. Messi, Neymar Jr., Iniesta. This is Barcelona versus Man City, Champions League game. That was a great save. The match was very, very tough for Messi because Messi was carrying Barcelona at his back. He tried his own possible best, but he was unable to score. But just watch and see what he did. See another try. And look at those who dribble. And still, there was not a goal yet. And this is where he did the magic. He dragged their attention and they left the other person free. And he scored an easy goal.